Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There in this video we are going to discuss the MCQs of Chemistry 12 chapter 3rd group 3A and group 4A elements. First MCQs is which metal is used in thermite process, iron, copper, aluminium or zinc. There aluminium has a tendency to react with both oxygen and nitrogen gas, so it reacts with air. The reaction is exothermic, so used in thermite process. So the exact answer is aluminium. Which metal is used in thermite process? Aluminium. Next, aluminium oxide is acetic oxide, basic oxide, amphoteric oxide, none of these. There, aluminium oxide is amphoteric because it behaves as an acid with bases and as a base with acid. So the exact answer is amphoteric oxide. Aluminium oxide is amphoteric oxide. Chemical composition of colemanite is Ca2B4 and B6O11.5H2O, CaB4O7.4H2O, Na2B4O7.4H2O, CaNaB4O11.8H2O. There, colemanite is an ore of boron and its formula is Ca2B6O11.5H2O. So the exact answer is A option, Ca2B6O11.5H2O. Next, which element forms an ion with charge +3? Beryllium, aluminium, carbon and silicon. There, aluminium is present in group 3A of the periodic table. It has 3 electrons in the outermost shell. So aluminium loses 3 of its valence electron to form aluminium ion. So the exact answer is aluminium. Which element form an ion with charge +3? Aluminium. Next, which electronic configuration correspond to an element of group 3A of the periodic table? There, valence shell electronic configuration of group 3A element is Ns2 Np1. Aluminium is the member of the group 3A of the periodic table having atomic number 13, which has electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. So the exact answer is A option, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Which element among the following dash belongs to group 4A of the periodic table? Barium, iodine, lead or oxygen. There, lead is the member of group 4A. Group 4A elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, Sn and Pb. So the exact answer is lead. Boric acid cannot be used as antiseptic in medicine, for washing eyes, in soda bottles, for enamels and glazes. There, carbon dioxide is used in soda bottles and boric acids cannot be used in soda bottles. So exact answer is in soda bottles. Boric acid cannot be used in soda bottles. Which of the following element is not present abundantly in earth crust? Silicon, aluminium, sodium or oxygen. The comparison of 4 elements shows that sodium is not present abundantly in earth crust. So the exact answer is sodium. Which of the following element is not present abundantly in earth crust? Sodium. Next, tinkle is mineral of aluminium, boron, silicon or carbon. There, tinkle is the mineral of boron and the formula of tinkle is Na2B4O7.10H2O. So the exact answer is boron. Next, the chief ore of aluminium is Na3AlF6, Al2O3.2H2O, Al2O3, Al2O3.2H2O. There, all these given substances are the ore of aluminium, but the bauxite is the chief of the ore of aluminium having the formula Al2O3.2H2O. So the exact answer is Al2O3.2H2O. देर आज के लिए इतना ही. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज की एमसीक्यूज को सॉल्व करेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.